My name is Swapan. I am a teacher at PCTE Group of Institutes, Ludhiana. I know Upinder Bhai since my childhood days. He was always concerned about the persons around him. I was not surprised when he came up with this bold documentary, Living on the Edge, Deglamorizing Bollywood. He did the premiere of this film at SCD Government College, Ludhiana, and then at our institute, PCT Group of Institutes. While interacting with the young students of journalism and mass communication at PCT, he shared various challenges which he faced while making this documentary. It is very natural that he must have faced a lot of difficulties in showing a darker side of this big Bollywood industry to the whole world. Today, the world has taken notice of his sincere efforts. The proof of that is this film has won more than 200 international awards. We understand that state as well as industry both are responsible for the pathetic conditions of the workers who are working in this industry. I feel today this film has got even more relevance. We hope that this documentary of Upinder Bhai must have shaken the consciousness of policymakers and lawmakers. We further hope that the industry and the state together will work for the welfare of these workers and will come up with such laws which will give a chance to this very important section of our society to live a dignified life with safety and security. We are proud of you, Upinder Bhai, for giving this masterpiece to the society. We really support you in this cause of yours. I know you have various issues like this in your mind. Wish you all the very best for your future projects. Thank you.